guys, welcome once again to my channel. In today's video, as you probably saw on the title down below, we're going to be doing a clean with me video, but this time I'm going to be cleaning my bedroom because it really needs it. This bedroom always gets messy pretty much every week. It gets really crazy. A bunch of clothes everywhere, a bunch of water bottles. So at least one day of the week I try to clean it up, but because I wanted to film this video, I left it how it is, and it's been like a whole week. So you're gonna be seeing something very ugly and messy. Please don't judge me. Just enjoy this video. I hope that you get inspired to clean your room, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below, like, share, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified every time that I upload. And without further ado, let's go right into the video. So the first thing that I do most of the time is to do my bed, but the first thing that I do is to open the curtains so I can get some natural light and make it feel more open and airy and bright, I guess. Sounds like a little Christmas song. But yeah, that makes me feel a little bit better, and like I'm getting more like sunlight in because this bedroom is pretty dark. So that's the first thing that I do. Okay, so once I open the curtains, as you can see, it looks pretty bright in here. It looks nice and it makes me feel more excited and prepared to organize all this mess back here. Okay guys, so the next thing that we're gonna tackle today is this mess of a bed that's been accumulating. Laundry that I did a few days ago and I haven't had time to organize, and I still have to put some pillowcases on the pillows, and yeah, clean this up. Let's go right into it. What I find easier when I'm doing laundry is to put things in little piles, so I know where it belongs. I know what things need to be hanged up, and that makes it easier for me. I know it doesn't look like a big difference, but at least I know that I have to just get this pile, put it in Rainier's drawer. This goes in my drawer. These are things that I need to hang. This also goes into a drawer. This also goes into a drawer, so it's easier for me after I fold to organize instead of like putting one thing at a time. It just makes it a lot easier. That's just a little tip that I have. Okay, so it's a different day. Yesterday, I finished organizing all the bed, I put away all the clothing, and today we're gonna tackle my desk area, which is a whole entire mess. It needs a lot of organization and also to be clean. I do use this desk a lot for editing, for school, but right now I finished with school, so that's good. And I'm also organizing my drawers. That's the first thing I want to do right now because I want to show you what I got from the dollar store to make it easier for me to separate everything without having to buy like those expensive drawer separators. Hello guys, I'm editing this video right now and I just realized that they're called drawer dividers, not separators. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess because when I start filming something and I'm talking in front of the camera, I get nervous and I forget things. But yeah, just clarifying that. Let's go right back to there. And sometimes those are too small and my drawers are pretty big and deep, so I needed something that was a little bit around the same size. So let's see how they work. So I got different colors, ones for Daniel and ones for me. I got the beige ones for me and the black ones for him. They're 9 inches by 8 inches.
So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe because I'll be uploading a new video soon, making over this dresser or cabinet that I have back here. Yeah, it doesn't really match with my bedroom. It's a pretty old piece, but I didn't want to throw it away, so I'm thinking about making it over. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for that. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share with your friends. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.